Vaccination day at school is much like any other day. You turn up to school like you normally would. Try to have something to eat before getting your vaccine. Even if it's something small, if you've not had anything, this won't stop you from getting the vaccine, but you should let the vaccinator know. School staff will know when and where you've got to go for your vaccine and will tell you when it's your turn. Depending on your school, your vaccine might be given in a classroom, gym hall, or cafeteria. When you go to the vaccination area, the person on the desk will ask for your name and date of birth. This is so they're able to check they've got your details and consent form. Once that's done, you're ready to get vaccinated. The person giving you your vaccine will check your consent. Remember, you can ask the vaccinator any questions you have. They'll explain things in a way you can understand. The vaccinator is there to make the experience as easy as possible for you. You might need to take off your jumper so the vaccinator can get to your upper arm. The vaccinator will ask you to relax your arm, put it down to the side and take a deep breath. They'll then give you your vaccine. The needles used for vaccinations are small and thin, and the same ones used on babies when they get vaccinated. It'll feel like a scratch or sting. This is normal, but it's over in a few seconds. The vaccinator will then give you advice on what to do for the rest of the day. And that's it. The vaccine will help protect you against some serious diseases, and then you can head back to class. If you're worried or concerned about the session, please speak to your school and they can support you and talk about different options.